In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track phone call conversions in Google Ads. By the end, you'll have a clean conversion action that attributes calls from your ads back to your campaigns so you can see what's working and optimize with confidence. First, log into your Google Ads account. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you're in the correct one before continuing. Having the right access level helps here, so ensure you can create and edit conversions. Next, go to Goals. You'll find it in the main toolbar area, typically within the measurement section. This is where Google Ads groups all conversion-related tools, so think of it as your hub for tracking success events. From there, click on Conversions. This takes you to the Conversions workspace, where you'll see any existing actions and create new ones. It's the place you'll revisit later to monitor performance and make adjustments. Open the summary view. The summary screen gives you a high-level look at your current setup, making it simple to add new conversion actions without digging through multiple menus. Now click Create Conversion Action. This starts the guided setup. You'll be prompted to choose what kind of conversion you want to track, and that choice determines what data Google captures. Select Phone Call Lead. This tells Google Ads you want to count calls as leads, which is ideal for businesses that rely on inbound calls for sales or inquiries. It keeps your reporting aligned with your actual goals. Click Add Conversion Action to move into the specific call tracking options. This is where you define the exact source of the calls you want to measure. Choose Calls from Ads. This option tracks calls that originate directly from your ads, such as call ads or call extensions. Google typically uses a forwarding number to attribute the call, which enables accurate reporting on which keyword, ad, or campaign drove the interaction. Click Save and continue to confirm your selection. The interface will summarize what you've chosen so far, so take a moment to ensure everything looks right. Keeping things consistent here sets you up for clean reporting later. Finally, click Finish. Your phone call conversion action is now created. You'll see it listed in the conversions area, and it will start collecting data as your ads serve and generate calls. Give it a little time for data to appear, especially if your call volume is light. That's it. You've set up phone call conversion tracking in Google Ads. Monitor the results in the conversion section and use those insights to guide budget and bidding decisions as your campaigns run.